Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to create a second Google account on your phone or computer. First, open any Google app, Gmail, YouTube, or Google Search. Tap your profile icon in the top right. You'll see your current Google account here. Now tap Add another account. Google will take you to the Sign In page. Instead of signing in, tap Create Account at the bottom. Select For Myself, unless you want a business or supervised account. Most users should choose For Myself. Enter your first and last name. Choose your birthday and gender. These details help Google personalize your experience and secure your account. Google will offer suggested Gmail usernames, or you can create your own. Pick an email you like, then tap Next. Now, create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's something secure but memorable. Tap Next to continue. Google will ask if you want to add a recovery phone number. This is optional, but highly recommended for security and password recovery. Scroll down, review Google's privacy policy and terms of service, and tap I agree. Your second Google account is now created. And that's it. You now have two Google accounts, and you can switch between them anytime by tapping your profile icon.